Salamat sa pamunuan ng University of Eastern Philippines at ng Department of Education Northern Samar sa kanilang pagtutulungan upang maisakatuparan ang 1 billion Rising Program ngayong taon. Sa loob ng maraming taon, isinusulong natin ang global na panawagan na wakasan ang karahasan laban sa kababaihan. Kitang-kita natin kung gaano kalayo ang narating, kung paano napapalakas at naipagdiriwang ang kababaihan sa ating lipunan. Pero hindi dito nagtatapos ang ating laban. Alalahanin po natin, halos 50% ng ating populasyon ay kababaihan at may malaking implikasyon ito sa ating responsibilidad na protektahan at pangalagaan ang kanilang kapakanan. Bilang isang anak, asawa at ama, malaki ang respeto ko sa mga kababaihan. These women taught me strength with compassion, leadership rooted in sacrifice and service, and partnership with respect, listening, and shared responsibility. At sa bawat babaeng guro, kawani at leader na aking nakasama sa serbisyo publiko, nakita ko ang determinasyon at malasakit na tunay na nagpapagalaw sa ating komunidad. Sila ang humuhubog sa aking pananaw na ang pag-unlad ng Northern Samar ay hindi maaaring ihiwalay sa paggalang at pagtataguyod ng karapatan ng kababaihan. When women are empowered, families are stronger, communities are more resilient, and our province moves forward. Napakahalaga ng papel ng Department of Education Northern Samar sa advokasiyang ito. Our schools are the centers of learning, and they are the safe spaces where young girls must feel protected, valued, and heard. Sa murang edad pa lamang, kailangan na nating ituro ang respeto, gender sensitivity, at ang tamang pagtrato sa bawat isa. That is why collaboration with our local government units is also crucial, because ending violence is not the responsibility of the few. It is a shared duty of everyone. It demands local government units that act swiftly, fund guide programs, meaningfully schools that educate with purpose, and communities that say a firm no to abuse in any form. Let me be clear, we do not tell women how to dress or behave to avoid violence. What we teach is simple but powerful. We teach everyone not to be violent, not to harass, and not to harm. As your governor, I assure you that our provincial government will continue to strengthen programs that protect women and children, enhance our referral and response mechanisms, and support initiatives that promote gender sensitivity in our communities. Sa ating pagbangon ngayon, naway magsilbi itong paalala na ang Northern Samar ay magiging marigon, mainuswagon ng malipayon kung ang kababaihan nito ay ligtas, iginagalang at binibigyan ng pantay na pagkakataon. Hindi ko na po pahahabain pa. Let us rise in movement and in commitment. Let us rise for every mother, every daughter, every sister. Let us rise for a Northern Samar where no woman and no girl is left behind. Maupay nga kulop sa iyong atanan, ini ang iyong Governor Harris, always at your service.